So down part done. I watched the weld, man. I just want to get it done, man. Sick of being on the sidelines. As long as it's welded and not got no holes. Oh fuck, it's getting heat wrapped anyway. But yeah, it dumps right there. I'm about to take it out now and put it close to the gearbox, isn't it? We have to put wire cuts in there to take it away. And then boom. Down the end of there. Should be a nice little system. Got those pipes back on that. Radiator's done. Just made these little thin kind of things. Good idea from my boy A. Solid. Make it there. I think that was loose. Yeah. Loose pipe welded. Welded that today at work. Yeah, had to extend it by 160 mil. Loose pipe, put that back on. It's some loose clamps for there and there, and change all these ones. Got some new water hoses on the way, so I'll put these upstairs. And I'll patch them. And with a new patch on, it's gonna sit there. I'm almost done with the engine bit. I'm gonna start putting everything back together. So there's the whole down part. The weld, man. Gonna get heat wrapped anyway. But yeah, there's the down part. Tight old gap to get it through there, man. Tight ain't the word. And now, got this reducer, 275 to 3" That's 275. Yeah, which I'm also going to use to get around the gearbox. That's the next stage. Clean that back a bit. It's a bit bulbous. And I've got to drill a hole in the O2 bung. Like that, man. Yeah, that's the next mission, and then I can finish the exhaust and move on from that. I'm getting busy. Finishing his exhaust. Little bit man TIG welded up at work today, quick looking at me. I'm getting busy. O2 bung on. See if I can see some good welds. It's on. No, just this reduced a bit. Exhaust done. What? Don't piss me off. Downpipe. Yeah. Back of the turbo goes down there. Around there. Down there. What quick thing? B30 turbo. Man, downpipe, exhaust done. Quick things. What? 3 days? 4 days? For me doing a bit of welding? What? Shower man thing, bro. Are you busy? Are you mad? So this is where I'm at with the downpipe and exhaust. Got a 2.75 reducer for a 3-inch. When it's tight, I've got enough clearance there from the gearbox. So now I'm going to tack on the flexi, which is going to go about here. And then, wow. Boom, bang. Done. Now, I think it'll just be a 45 tight one. Try and keep it as close to the body as possible without hitting it, and then have a mount down there somewhere. Definitely going 3-inch all the way back with a downturn TIG welded at the end. Yeah, bang, I'm going to get this welded up now quick, and then yeah, that's me for today. Quick one.